Well, what I'm doing here now is going to try and make a knife for my sheath. This is called Kydex. It's graphite finish. So the idea is you cut a piece of this. And then you get this. It's a memory foam with some wood. Heat the Kydex. Stick the knife on it, fold it over, and the two bits clamped together. Mould it according to the videos. So we'll see how we go, eh? So that's kind of what it does. It's just a test piece. And it just slips in there like that. There's a bit more to it, but it's not a bit right. Yeah, see how we go. Take it easy, stay beautiful, and always be kind.